together with Finn, we are Finn. And so today I am going to show you guys, as per request, going to show you how I am going to make my Frühlingsrolle. That's how the German says. We call it spring rolls, or we call it in Philippines lumpia. Lumpia, guys, or Frühlingsrolle, or how do we call spring rolls? There are different ways on how you're gonna do it, but the main ingredients, of course, the wrapper itself, the egg roll wrapper. So that's the most important material or ingredients that you really have to have. So today I'm going to show you a simple way, a typical way, the way I am doing it. So guys, to those of my friends who have tasted my lumpia or my Frühlingsrolle, this is how I made it. You keep on asking, guys, on how I did it. Keep on asking from recipes, and I told you I am not cooking in any recipes. I'm not following any recipes. I only cook the way I know it, and I only cook the way I want it to taste. So here it is. So what do we have today? Of course, I have the wrappers. The egg roll, I think it's an egg, I don't know, a spring roll wrapper. It's a pastry. How you gonna do this? You can buy it in an Asian shop, and it's like this. Of course, then you have to be careful on peeling it because it's too thin. Then it's just like this, guys. It's easy, but of course you have to be careful on it, not that this wrapper will be teared off. So that's how easy it is, and voila, it looks like this. So that's it. So I have prepared some of the wrappers already. It's here. So we're going to put this aside, or maybe let us put this under here. And what do we need more? Of course, we have a ground meat here. We have like 250, no, I think 500. We have a 500 grams ground meat here, and I am using a mixture of beef and pork. Of course, you can also use a pure beef or a pure pork, or maybe a chicken also. Whatever you want, guys. You can use whatever you want, whatever kind of meat you want to have. And we have the vegetables here. It's all finely chopped, so it's not that really hard to roll it. We have cabbage. We have finely stripes from carrots, and we also have finely cut stripes from paprika. You can, again, guys, you can also decide whatever vegetables you can use. You can use other paprika color, you can use red, yellow, or whatever. Of course, you can, if you don't want to have carrots, it's also your own decision. If you don't have the cabbage and use other thing, it's also your own decision. So those are the vegetables. And of course, this is also important. We need to have garlic. This is at least 3 to 4 cloves. We need 1 whole garlic. Oh, you can also use red onion or white onion. And I have here a finely chopped spring onion. It's up to you also, guys, if you want to have spring onions or cilantro. Some like cilantro, to put cilantro, some they don't like the aftertaste of cilantro. And of course, we need salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, some seasoning. And if you want to make it spicy, you can also put what do you call this? Chili powder. It's all up to you, guys. You can play with it. So I have here, I prepared this one. We are going to use this one later when we are going to roll the whole lumpia. So some people, they do the lumpia, or they prepare these spring rolls by cooking already the meat together with the vegetables. I am not doing it because if you're going to fry it, then the vegetable is not that fresh anymore. I like it more to do this way that I'm going to roll this whole thing in this wrapper fresh. So if I'm going to fry it, when we eat it, it's still fresh inside. Because it's easy to cook, guys. The ground meat is really easy to cook, and the vegetable, it should not be overcooked. Because if you're going to cook it already, if you're going to make it stir fried already, then when you fry it again, then the vegetable will be overcooked already. That's my own opinion. But as what I've said, we all have different ways on how to cook it or to prepare it. So guys, we're going to start to mix the whole ingredients. It's just a matter of mixing. We all put it all together and then mix it all together. So we're going to put our garlic in, onion in, and our spring onion. Oh, surely go. So now the vegetables, you just can also put all together, and we're just going to mix that later. Ganyan lang, guys. It's very easy. Just put it all together like that. So we have the meat together with the vegetables already. And now we're going to put, let's just mix first the vegetables and meat, and then we're going to use the hand how do you say that? Hand gloves. I'm speaking English and German together. Sorry, guys. So we are going to use this and then mix it together. It is better to use hands to mix this thing para talaga, so that it's really going to be mixed well. So ganyan, no? Just mix it. I think everybody know how to mix it, how to mix things. Something like that. So now we need salt. It's up also to you guys on how much salt you want to put, on how salty you want to have it. And now let's put the seasoning. It's up also to you guys on how much seasoning you want to put it in. I am using a typical Filipino seasoning. So let's put black pepper inside. Let's put onion powder. For onion powder, guys, it's your own decision if you want to put more, because you already have onion inside. And also for the garlic powder, it's up to you if you want to put more. Me, I love to taste the onion and the garlic inside, and of course I also like to have it spicy, so I'm going to put a little bit of chili, not that the guests will also burn their tongue. So that's also depend on you and how spicy you want it to have it. And now I forgot to show it to you earlier. I'm also putting an oyster sauce on it a little bit. Some they are using soy sauce. I don't use soy sauce in this because it will be too wet to wrap it. So instead of soy sauce, I use oyster sauce inside. So just a little bit, maybe 1.5 tablespoon up to 2 tablespoons. So then again, mix. I'm going to mix it. Like that. So just like this. Mix it well so that the whole seasoning and stuff is really going to get each of the taste. Ganyan lang siya, guys. And if you want to be sure from the taste on it, you can also try it. You can also try the taste. Later, we will try it. So guys, our mixture is already ready. It's done. And now we are going to try it. How does it taste? Let's take a little bit on it just to taste it. The saltiness and the savory is already perfect. Now we're going to start to roll our lumpia, our spring rolls. So I'm going to take this off. And we're going to start rolling it. Let's roll it. It's very easy, guys, to how to roll it. Let's take one piece of the wrap like that. Let's position it something like this, like a diamond. And then we're going to take maybe 1 spoon on it of that mixture. Put it like this, position it like this. So, just like that. Then I'm going to roll it. Just like that, if you have seen. I'm sorry if I am too fast. We're going to make more so you can see. You're going to roll it like that, and on each side, left and right, you're going to fold it like this, and then roll it again until the edge. And before you're going to close it, this is the time that we're going to use this one. So it's just a little bit like that, so it will stick together. And voila, it's done. And again, we're going to do once more. One more roll. Oh, I think that's too much. Don't put too much, guys, so your spring rolls is not going to be that bulky. Just put a little bit like this, just enough like this. And then again, it's like here, you roll it like this, and then roll it twice, fold it from the side like this, from left to right, and then again roll it again. And before we're going to go through to close it, we're going to use this again for it to stick and not going to open. So that's how it is, guys. That's how easy it is. And then just continue doing it until it's all done. So see, guys, how easy it is. You just need a ground meat, vegetables of your choice, pepper, salt, maybe some chili, maybe either you want soy sauce or how do you call that, oyster sauce. So whatever you want, the way you want to taste it, that's how you're gonna make your own spring rolls. Others, they also put some fresh vegetables, and like what I said, guys, it's your own decision. But mine, whoever wants to know what's my secret in making this frühlingsrolle, spring rolls, or we call it lumpia, that's how I did it. And this rolls, it's up to fry it already. This kind of rolls, you just need to fry it in a medium heat, And that's it. It's just a normal frying. That's how it is. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you have learned from it. I hope you've liked it. And if you like my video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe. Give me some like.
Nice.
And don't forget to hit the bell. Once again, I'm your Lean. Together with Finn, we are Flynn. Bye for now.